Hello, this is Graphing Linear Equations, Direct Variation, Example 4. And in Example 4, they tell a story about a saltwater aquarium and how many tablespoons of salt you have to add to a tank of water. And we have to write a direct variation equation that relates W and S. So direct variation is going to be in this form, y equals kx. And instead of y and x, we have w and s. We have water and salt. There's two possibilities. One is that w is going to equal ks, or else s is going to equal kw. Now, this equation says that the amount of salt determines how much water. This one says the amount of water determines how much salt. Well, this is the more valid equation. You don't start with an amount of salt and then determine how much water you're going to put in the aquarium. That's not realistic. Your aquarium is a certain size, there's a certain amount of water, and that's going to determine how much salt to add. So our equation is going to be of the form S is equal to KW. And now all we have to do is figure out what K is. Well, in the problem we have a value for the amount of salt. We have 100 tablespoons, so that's 100 for S, is equal to some K times the amount of water. And the amount of water is a 20-gallon tank. So we have 100 is equal to K times 20. Now we've solved a lot of equations like this, and K times 20, that's the same thing as 20K. That makes it look more like things that we're used to. And also we usually have the variable on this side. So 20K equals 100. Now it looks exactly like a lot of equations that we've solved, and we'll solve this by dividing both sides by 20 to get K equals 5. So the direct variation equation is here with a K equals 5. So the answer to this first question is S is equal to 5W. How many teaspoons of sea salt should be added to a 30-gallon saltwater fish tank? The salt is equal to 5W, so the salt is equal to 5 times 30. I'm sorry. The S is equal to 5 times 30, so the salt would be 150 tablespoons.